Hello children, we are the storytellers from the Story Sprouts Club. I'm Miss Sheila.
I am Miss Isa, and today we're reading Because of an Acorn by Lola M. Schaefer and Adam Schaefer.
Because of an acorn, a tree,
Because of a tree,
a bird,
because of a bird,
a seed,
because of a seed,
a flower,
because of a flower, a fruit, because of a fruit,
a chipmunk,
because of a chipmunk,
a snake, because of a snake,
a hawk,
because of a hawk, an acorn,
because of an acorn,
a forest.
And that's the end of our story. Till the next fun story time.
Bye!